Today I am taking some time to give my fridge a much needed refresh, and I would love for you to join me. As I go along, I will share a few gentle and practical tips that help me to stay organized in the kitchen. I hope it will inspire you to give your own fridge a little refresh too. I'm starting by taking everything out from the fridge and throwing away anything that we no longer need. By removing what we don't need, we can create more space both physically and mentally. A decluttered space always feels more peaceful and intentional. In any area of the home, making room for new things starts with letting go of the old. Next, I am using a simple kitchen surface cleaner and lightly spraying down the inside of the fridge. After letting it sit for a while, I am starting to wipe down each section of the fridge, working from top to bottom. I rinse my cloth regularly to keep everything clean and fresh. Achieving a well-organized fridge doesn't need to feel complicated or overwhelming. With just a few simple steps, this space will make preparing meals effortless and enjoyable. Once everything has been wiped down, I am taking another clean cloth and going over all the surfaces one more time to make sure I haven't missed anything. the inside of the fridge has been thoroughly cleaned, I begin organizing all the food back inside, making use of any organizers I have. And yes, I do use the egg tray to store lemons, as we don't eat eggs in my house. I also keep coriander leaves in a pot of water inside my fridge because I find that they stay fresh for much longer this way. So often, leftover food and ingredients are placed in the fridge but forgotten about over time. When these items can no longer be eaten, they are thrown away. This results in about a third of all food being wasted around the globe, of which households contribute 60%. When a space is well organized, it makes it easier to see everything that is there, helping us to use food more intentionally and reduce food waste. As soon as the inside is complete, I move on to the outside, removing all the magnets, wiping down the surfaces with the same cleaner before reorganizing the magnets back on. Another simple habit that helps me to stay organized and reduce waste in the kitchen is roughly planning our meals for the week ahead. First, I have a look at what is already in my fridge and think about the meals I can prepare using these ingredients. If I don't have enough of anything, I make a note of what I need to pick up from the shops. This helps me buy only what we need and what we will use, preventing unnecessary food waste. And this is the final result of my fridge refresh. Everything feels clean, organized, and easy to see at a glance. Seeing this space transformed brings a sense of satisfaction, and I feel excited to prepare more meals for my family. Any tips you would like to share, I would love to hear them in the comments. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope these small, mindful changes help make your space feel a little lighter and more intentional. Wishing you a peaceful and lovely week ahead.